Sup tuts. Just wanted to show you this code real quick. So you see, prompt. It's gonna ask to please enter a number to check if it's divisible by 2. And the way I did that was by creating this function with a number. So if whatever number the user puts in the prompt is divisible by 2 and the remainder is equal to 0, then it will alert the user, awesome, whatever number the user input is divisible by 2. Else, if the number is not a number, then it will prompt the user to please enter a number. And if the new input, which is right here, because it's no longer the user input, is the same thing as up here, which will leave it at 0, then it will alert, awesome, the new input is divisible by 2. Else, if it's not a number, then it'll just tell them error. You didn't follow instructions. Refresh the page and try it again. Now, if they entered a number up here, and everything was fine, but it's not divisible by 2, then it'll alert, sorry, but the new input isn't divisible by 2. Now, let's say they didn't go through this whole mess here, and they entered a number here, and it's not divisible by 2, then it'll skip all of that and go straight to the else here, and it'll alert, sorry, but the user is not divisible by 2. So, as you can see, variable is even right here. I called it as even, and that's a function. So then you have to call the function down here with the user input. So, oh, that's interesting. Because now I have a new input too, but let's see. Anyways, let's try this. So see? Please enter a number to check if it's divisible by 2. That's this right here. So we're going to do it right this time, and then we'll mess it up. So we're going to put 2. Awesome. 2 is divisible by 2. Now let's try it again. This time I'm going to put a number that is not divisible by 2, like 3. And I'm going to tell you, sorry, but 3 isn't divisible by 2. So technically, it did these things right here. It did this one. I entered 2 the first time, and it was good, so it did awesome. And then the second time I entered 3, so it skipped everything because everything else was right, and it said, sorry, but it's not. So, oh, look. So you see over here, user input is still being used down here. And that's because this connects with this. But now, let's say I want to mess around and put D. It's going to tell me, please enter a number. As you can see, right here, it says else if the number is not a number, then it's going to say, please enter a number, which it did. Now, when you enter the number, it's going to take that figure and put it in new input. Now, if that new input is a number divisible by 2, it will give you the right answer. So let's put 10. And you can see, awesome, 10 is divisible by 2. Now let's go back. Again, D. It's going to tell me to enter a number. Now, this is where this other part is going to come in. So no input prompt, please enter a number. Now, else if it's not a number, alert error, you didn't follow instructions. So I'm going to not follow instructions, put X. So it's going to tell me error, you didn't